Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about noise. So let's get going. Describe an occasion when someone or something made noise. Can you recall a time when noise was made by someone or something? Have you experienced a situation where noise was generated by either a person or an object? Who or what made the noise? You could answer that in the question as, who or what was responsible for creating the noise? Can you identify the source of the noise, whether it was a person or an object? What was the noise like? How would you describe the characteristics of the noise? Could you elaborate on the nature and the quantity of the noise that occurred? What did you do? What actions did you take in response to the noise? Could you explain how you reacted or responded when the noise occurred? How did you feel about it? How did you feel regarding the noise that was produced? What were your emotions or thoughts in relation to the noise that occurred? Okay, so those are some sample questions you could be asked if this topic arises. Next up is our reading passage. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand, so please read along with me. The effects of noise pollution can impact physical, mental, and social well-being, including hearing impairment, sleep disturbances, stress, and decreased productivity. Noise pollution is a widespread environmental issue that affects both urban and rural areas across the world. It disrupts the natural balance of an environment. Causes include industrial activity, traffic, construction sites, and recreational events. Technology and entertainment devices also contribute to the excessive noise. By addressing this issue, we can create quieter and more peaceful living environments for everyone. Solutions to noise pollution involve urban planning, traffic management, regulations, technological innovation, and public education. Various sources contribute to noise pollution, including industrial activities, traffic, construction sites, and recreational events. Urbanization and increased transportation play a significant role in the escalation of noise levels. Technology and entertainment devices, such as loudspeakers and personal audio players, also generate excessive noise. Noise pollution can have far-reaching effects on physical, mental, and social well-being. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can lead to hearing impairment, sleep disturbances, stress, and cardiovascular issues. It can also disrupt communication, concentration, productivity, and cognitive performance. Addressing noise pollution requires a comprehensive approach involving government regulations, technological advances, and public awareness. Some potential solutions include urban planning with green spaces and noise barriers, traffic management measures enforcing noise regulations, developing quieter machinery, and raising public awareness. By implementing these solutions, we can contribute to noise reduction and create quieter living environments. By identifying its causes and implementing effective solutions, we can create quieter and more peaceful living environments for everyone. Noise pollution is a pervasive environmental problem and significant health and societal implications. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocab and expressions. Have a look at some of these with me and try to incorporate them into your own use. Noise pollution, environmental disturbance, unwanted sound, excessive noise, sound waves, decibels, acoustic environment, urbanization, industrial activities, traffic congestion, construction sites, recreational events, loudspeakers, personal audio devices, hearing impairment, sleep disturbances, stress levels, cardiovascular health, cognitive performance, concentration, communication breakdown, quality of life, buffer zones, green spaces, noise barriers, traffic management, public transportation, noise regulations, emission standards, technological innovation. And expressions disturb the tranquility, affect physical well-being, create an acoustic imbalance, heightened noise levels, nuance to resonance, promote a quieter environment, noise reduction strategies, implement noise control measures, minimize noise emissions, enhance sound insulation. enforce noise ordinances, raise public consciousness, foster community engagement, create noise-free zones, address noise concerns, advocate for noise mitigation, contribute to noise abatement, strike a balance between development and tranquility, adopt noise-reducing technologies, create a harmonious auditory experience. And finally for today, our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. What's the impact of noise pollution on human health? Could also be asked, how does noise pollution affect people's well-being? What was the consequence of noise pollution on human health? Or what measures can be taken to reduce noise pollution in urban areas? What can be done to decrease noise pollution in cities? In paraphrasing statements, noise pollution can lead to various health problems, including stress and sleep disturbances. Health issues like stress and sleep problems can arise due to noise pollution. Noise barriers are structures designed to block and absorb sound waves, reducing noise levels. Or you could say, noise barriers are constructed to decrease sound waves and lower noise levels. And lastly, the paraphrasing descriptions, which are on your own form. As always, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.